My name is Rebecca Uren, and we are here on Behind the Buzz. Joining us today is Alain from GlobeX. How are you?
Fine, Rebecca. Nice meeting you.
It's nice having you. So Alain, tell us a little bit about the company and exactly what you guys do.
Well, GlobeX Data is a cybersecurity and digital privacy company.
Okay.
We started in Switzerland 12 years ago and now listed on the Canadian Security Exchange with our Canadian entity and hopefully soon on the OTC QB as we file to list on the US exchange. What we do is we have three services that essentially act as a Dropbox or a box, an email, and then a secure messaging. We call that Digital Safe for document management, Privatalk for secure communication, chat, voice, video, and Custodia for secure email.
Okay.
We store everything in Switzerland only to get the highest privacy laws in the world for your data. We don't do any data monitoring, we don't sell your data, and we don't store anything on your devices when you use our applications.
Do you think that that service is very necessary in today's society?
Well, it's critical because privacy is something that we cannot get anymore.
Right.
And cybersecurity is over a $300 billion industry, and it costs the world economy about $6 trillion a year. So
Okay.
in other words, when you're a business and you're trying to safeguard your document, you do file share, you communicate via email, that is important to be encrypted and to have the privacy as well.
The internet has been around for a little while and everything has been growing so quickly. How do you guys see yourselves expanding maybe in the next couple of months, maybe the next year?
Well, we offer something very unique. We are the leader in Swiss hosted secure data management and communication.
Okay.
We basically partner with resellers and telecom operator. We signed a deal with the third biggest telecom operator in the world called America Mobile, traded on the New York Stock Exchange under AMX. We have other plans for Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. So we are looking over the next 18 months to be exposed to about 600 million mobile subscribers through our partners.
Wow.
And they sell to their business users, government, or even consumers.
And is there any great news coming up? Anything new for the company?
Well, yes, we just trained 900 people in Mexico at Telcel, which
okay.
is the leading operator in Mexico. We signed a deal with Keller Williams. Keller Williams is the largest real estate broker in the world with 160,000 real estate agents in the US. They selected Digital Safe as one of their core applications to run their business, so that's quite massive. That's being rolled out now. And we're looking at a couple other large contracts in most likely Middle East, North Africa in the next 6 months.
So for investors that are just learning about GlobeX, why should they invest in the company?
Well, right now we're at ground level investment-wise.
Okay.
All of the technology has been paid for. We are a debt-free company with cash in the bank, soon to be listed hopefully in the US as we applied to FINRA already. And it's a ground level to go into a monthly recurring revenue business, hitting cybersecurity, which is a $300 billion industry, and also getting that exposure to the emerging market, which is both fast-growing, high in population, and also highly adaptive of new technologies. And we have close to zero competition in those markets. So it's a
Okay.
fantastic way to get in now and to get at, I would say, more or less ground level, because we just did our IPO in Canada.
Is there anything you want to mention before we close out?
Now we're looking forward to having a bunch of US shareholders hopefully soon as we trade. And again, this is a monthly recurring revenue business, so it has a very high growth. And our long-term plan is to grow to a few million paid subscribers.
Thank you so much for being here today
Thanks,
with
Rebecca.
us. Of
Pleasure
course.
being with you.
And this has been Behind the Buzz.